If you want to be hands-on in teaching your child, but don't know how to begin, well, you need to master the letter sounds. To avoid confusion, teach the letter sounds first. Why? Letter sounds are used in blending. To read a word, let us study first the sound of the 26 letters. Here are the letter sounds. You can repeat after. Big A, big A. Small A, small A. A, A. Big B, big B. Small B, small B. B, B. Big K, big K. Small K, small K. Big D, big D. Small D, small D. D, D. Big E, big E. Small E, small E. E, E. Big F, big F. Small F, small F. Big G, big G. Small G, small G. G, G. Big H, big H. Small H, small Big E, big E. Small E, small E. E, E. Big J, big J. Small J, small J. J, J. Big K, big K. Small K, small K. Big L, big L. Small L, small L. L, L. Big big Small small Big big Small small Big big Small small ah. Big P, big P. Small P, small Big Q, big Q. Small Q, small Q. Q, Q. Big big R. Small small R. Big S, big S. Small S, small S, s, s. Big T, big T. Small T, small T, T, T. Big big small small big V, big V. Small V, small V, V, V. Big W, big W. Small W, small W, W, W. Big X, big X. Small X, small X, X, X. Big Y, big Y. Small Y, small Y, Y, Y. Big Z, big Z. Small Z, small Z, Z, Z. I use the term big and small since it's easily understood by little ones. Thanks for watching.